Door frame construction is the foundational factor that determines whether reinforcement hardware and locks can actually provide kick-in-proof protection. A robust door frame begins with secure attachment to structural studs using long fasteners that pass through the jamb and into a 2x4 or larger framing member behind it. Use 3-inch or longer screws for strike plates and hinge screws so they engage solid framing rather than just the door jamb material. Shorter screws only hold the jamb, not the structure. Before installing any hardware, remove trim and inspect the sill, jambs, and surrounding studs for moisture damage, rot, insect damage, or looseness. Any compromised wood must be repaired or replaced because even the strongest lock will pull free from rotten material. When the jamb is sound but thin, add a reinforcing plate or a metal jamb liner that spreads impact forces across a larger area and ties into the stud with long fasteners. For doors that face elevated risk, consider installing a door reinforcement kit that includes a reinforced strike plate, a wraparound hinge plate, and a reinforcement sleeve for the jamb. Follow the kit instructions exactly so plates overlap existing weak points and screws reach framing. If you find movement between the jamb and framing after hardware installation, shim behind the jamb with pressure-treated or compatible shims, and fasten through shims into studs to eliminate play and ensure loads transfer to the structure. A frequent mistake is relying on short screws that only bite into the door jamb, which allows the assembly to pull out under impact. Correct this by replacing fasteners with 3-inch or longer screws that reach the studs. Another common issue is failing to check for hidden rot or insect damage in the framing, which makes any reinforcement ineffective. Expose and inspect the jamb and surrounding framing and repair or sister new studs where necessary. People also assume decorative trim or surface-mounted upgrades are sufficient, but cosmetic pieces do not transfer force to the structure. Use hardware that overlaps the jamb edges or installs through to the framing, and always drive fasteners into solid wood behind the jamb. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who perform frame inspection, repair, and reinforcement so we can help homeowners find people to do the structural work that makes hardware effective. We also help contractors find work and engage with the discussion community on the site where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.